To try to channel Carroll Shelby's spirit, you have to be in the presence of the vehicles that he created. Walking around the vehicles, touching them, seeing every last detail is truly where the inspiration comes from. When you walk up to a Cobra, the first thing you notice is just the timeless aesthetic that is going to last for generations. And the best thing is when you get behind the wheel and you turn the key for the first time and you roll on the accelerator, it transforms itself into this American icon. Both of these brands were founded off the idea of tinkering, just the relentless pursuit of always making things better. The project kicked off with a lot of research of the heritage. Then it went into the engineering of the performance of the bike, making sure it could live up to that Shelby name. And it all came together in delivering it at this fantastic Shelby event. The best thing about this job is getting someone on the bike for the first time. They hop on the bike, they ride it, and as soon as you start rolling on that power, it can give you that same feeling as a big V8 in a Cobra. Meeting Aaron for the first time, I didn't know what to expect, but really I think it was awesome to just sit there and hear stories of his grandfather and his idea of what makes the cars cool.
When Carroll started with the Cobra originally back in the early 60s, the idea was take something that's lightweight, add more power to it, and it was a formula that really just caught fire.
And that's really what we're trying to bring into the Shelby bike. We have a big battery pack. You can go up to a 75-mile range, a lot of power. When you roll on that throttle, you're getting thrown back in your seat. When you think Shelby, you think going out and going fast. And we needed to make sure that it lived up to the Shelby heritage.
I think the inspiration that the Shelby cars provided to you is easily seen in the final bike. And it's going to be a lot of fun to see those out on the road and people riding them. And it's recognizable as a Shelby product as well.
As a company, we're really trying to blur the lines between an electric bicycle and an electric motorcycle. We're taking a platform that is relatively simple, and we're using a very Shelby formula. We're adding power, we're adding performance, and we're making it look sexy. You have this legacy of cars, and we wanted to put every ounce of energy we possibly could into making it as great as we could be. A lot of late nights just getting the bike to a level that we thought would honor what Shelby has created. And today I can stand behind that bike and be really proud of what we've created and get people out riding it.